Hi everyone, welcome to the WHX Lab 2026. We are here at booth SA820. Please come and do visit us at our booth. Today we are going to discuss on the instrument which we are displaying here, which is a Thermo Scientific in vitro EVOS M3000. This is the instrument. This instrument is basically used for the cell culture lab to take the imaging of the fluorescence image. This instrument basically it's a very basic instrument and routine requirement will be that. So do come us visit. We'll have more detail in discussion here. Welcome to our booth.